In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a Todoist reset in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to declutter your task list or start from a blank slate, a reset can be a great way to get organized. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head to app.todoist.com auth login. This is where you'll enter your credentials to access your Todoist account. If you're already logged in, you can skip past this step, but for those who need to log in manually, just type in your email address. Once you've entered your email, the next step is to type in your password. Be sure to double check that everything is spelled correctly to avoid any login issues. If you prefer using an alternative method, you have the option to log in using Google, Facebook, or Apple. Simply click on the corresponding button to continue with your preferred method. Now that you're logged in, we can talk about what a Todoist reset means. For our purposes, a reset involves deleting all your tasks to start afresh. This step is ideal for those who want a clean slate and prefer line item control over their tasks. You have the choice to manually delete all projects and tasks, or for a complete reset, delete your Todoist account through the account settings. To manually clear out specific tasks and projects, you'll need to navigate to each project you wish to edit. Once there, click and drag your mouse to select all the tasks within that project. After all tasks are selected, simply press the delete key and they will be removed. This method allows you to selectively clear out tasks without affecting your entire account. For those wanting a complete reset by deleting the entire account, you'll begin by heading to your account settings. This is where you'll find the option to delete your account. Scroll through the settings until you locate the delete account option. Once you've found it, click it and follow the prompts to confirm the deletion. It's important to remember that deleting your account is irreversible, so make sure it's what you truly want to do. If you proceed, your account along with all stored tasks and projects will be permanently removed. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to resetting Todoist. Whether you choose to manually clear individual tasks or fully delete your account, you now have the knowledge to start anew. Remember to always back up any important information you may want to keep before proceeding with deletion. Thanks for watching, happy organizing.